Yeah, more business in future.
Yes. Thank you. Every day is her birthday.
Yeah, with this.
Please. Benda pelik pasal.
Yes, yes.
Sing well too.
Kawan kerja I. Lupa bawa dia. Surah 8. Dia suka main volleyball atau volleyball.
My gosh, like this.
Adalah seorang yang degil juga. Tapi dia injek. Hackers. Is there?
Oh, ni.
Ah, betul. I lepak dengan budak-budak genius. So Joshua. Ni Joshua tak sekarang I potong. Oh, we feel the love. Oh. One is glowing. Why? Nangis, okay? Oh, lagi sekali sister. Happy birthday. Together. Mati dah. Happy birthday Syahira. Go aja fight it. We're gonna unbox these two from Solis. God, Nick Sunny, yay! Are you good? Hey, Sunny. I don't want to Sunny. Careful, bro. Dia kata television dah. Tolong pegang.
Sun is the coming.
Blowing the kazoo. Zoo, you know the. So pretty. Oh. Hey. Because I meet. Enggak lah. To you. To you.
Nanti you dekat ayah. Ni lepas ni.
Ya, ini ke seni langsung. Depan. Tapi rap apa tak ada.
Ini dah bengong. Ini dah pening.
One.
Never cake bearer. My job.
Birthday to you.